What do animals mean to mankind? We share the same planet and are part of a multifarious world. Animals make a huge contribution and impact on our lives. So our research has to feedback and protect the animals. In Taiwan, one group of people is quietly dedicated to ensuring the health and well-being of animals, so people can enjoy a comfortable living environment. Ensuring the health of animals is an integral part of promoting public health, food safety, animal husbandry, and sustainable development of ecosystems, which is the duty and mission of the Veterinary Research Institute (MOA). VRI is located in the Tamsui district of New Taipei City, viewing Guanyianshan and Tamsui River estuary. To the east is Fort San Domingo and Oxford College. To the west, Huey Fort and Tamsui Customs Wharf. Taiwan Golf and Country Club to the rear, surrounded by greens. VRI occupies about 5.2 hectares, in a beautiful setting of mountains and water. The Animal Drugs Inspection Center, in Chunan Township, Miaoli County, is 110 kilometers from the headquarters on a site of area about 20.35 hectares. The Aquatic Animal Medicine Laboratory, in Agricultural Technology Park Administration Center. In this stunning natural setting, people and animals live in harmony, representing the vitality of Taiwan and pursuing development in stability and the VRI's objective of sustainable development of life. In Taiwan, efforts to promote animal health started in 1905, established Rinderpest Antiserum Production Laboratory in Pingdong. In 1919, established Animal Antiserum Production Laboratory in Taipei. And in 1921 they were merged into the Manufacturing Institute for Animal Antisera. In 1931, the laboratory was relocated to Tamsui, and after retrocession came under the Agricultural and Forestry Department of Taiwan Provincial Government. In 1962, it was renamed Taiwan Provincial Research Institute for Animal Health, and in 1999, the Animal Health Research Institute Council of Agriculture Execute Yuan. On August 1, 2012, it was restructured into the Veterinary Research Institute, Ministry of Agriculture. In 1988, the Animal Drugs Inspection Branch was established, bringing animal drug-related matters under one agency. On August 1, 2023, it was restructured into Animal Drugs Inspection Center and establishing a national inspection system and standards. In 2014, the Biology Division added an Aquatic Animal Medicine Laboratory, located in Agricultural Technology Park Administration Center, serve farmers and related aquatic products industry in southern Taiwan. The VRI is a national veterinary laboratory established in accordance with the Infectious Animal Disease Prevention and Control Act. It is also part of labor cooperative mechanism from central to local governments. Ensure the Institute's research provides timely feedback to help on-site disease prevention and provides a reference for the drafting of infectious animal disease prevention policy, with the mission statement of innovation, dedication, life protection. VRI plays a key role in improving our country's animal and public health. In addition to administrative departments, human resources, accounting, and secretarial departments, the main business units include Biology Division, Emerging Animal Disease Division, Animal Disease Diagnosis Division, Biologicals Division, and Animal Drugs Inspection Center. The Biology Division has microbial collection, bacteriology, biochemical, fish health, aquatic animal medicine laboratory, Pingdong Aquatic Animal Medicine Laboratory, and electron microscopy laboratories. Main focus: diagnostic services, including aquatic animal illness diagnosis and export quarantine inspection, terrestrial animal bacterial disease inspection, pesticide poisoning inspection, electron microscope inspection, research into collection and preservation of microorganisms, cell lines and animal sera. VRI established a microbial collection laboratory, preserving, researching and using veterinary microbial resources, including viruses, bacteria strains, cell lines and animal sera. Accepts overseas applications for microorganism distribution for vaccines, diagnostic reagent R&D, epidemiological research, etc. The Pingdong Aquatic Animal Medicine Laboratory works with the Bureau of Animal and Plant Health Inspection and Quarantine and Customs, providing customs clearance, quarantine and testing services. Greatly reduces time needed for products produced in the park to clear customs or in quarantine, enhancing the advantage of industry exports. The Emerging Animal Disease Division is composed of disease detection and identification and serological testing laboratories. Main focus: the diagnosis, testing, research, prevention and technical R&D into porcine viral, exotic animal, and emerging animal diseases. The Classical Swine Fever Diagnostic Lab has already received WOAH certification and is an international reference laboratory. To undertake its mission, this division has biocontainment laboratories and animal facilities. The Animal Disease Diagnosis Division has pathology, poultry diseases, herbivore diseases, and molecular biology diagnostic laboratories, technical extension office, and an animal disease diagnostic center. Main focus: epidemiological and pathological research into livestock, poultry, and companion animal diseases, as well as veterinarian continuous education and technical extension. The Animal Disease Diagnostic Center has a single service window to reduce the testing process and improve service. It also tests for and researches zoonoses to ensure animal and human health. The Biologicals Division includes viral vaccine manufacture, bacterian manufacture, tissue culture vaccine, waterfowl vaccine, R&D for subunit and viral vector vaccine, and QC laboratories. The department has 21 licenses to produce animal drugs and is responsible for livestock, poultry, and aquatic animal viruses, bacterial disease vaccines, and the improvement, manufacture, storage, and supply of diagnostic reagents. It also conducts rabies pathogenic analysis and has a rabies serological testing laboratory for international movements of dogs and cats. Moreover, subsequent to the recognition by EU in 2017, Rabies Serological Testing Laboratory is recognized by Japan in 2022. Animal Drugs Inspection Center has Department of Biologics Assay and Research, Department of Chemical Assay and Research, and Department of Experimental Animal Research. Main responsibilities: animal use biopharmaceuticals, general pharmaceuticals, medicated feed additive verification services, including related inspection technique R&D, providing quality lab animals to local vaccine manufacturers, and related experiment and research institutions is also a focus of its jobs. To enhance the prevention of livestock, poultry, and aquatic animal diseases, as well as testing and vaccine reagent development technology in Taiwan. The branch uses its position to integrate knowledge and resources, enabling it to provide professional services to industry, government, and academia. With the hard work of an outstanding team of researchers, the branch has already received more than 50 TAF certifications for laboratory testing techniques and GMPs. It has also become a national-level lab. For animal disease testing and diagnosis, as well as animal drug testing, VRI adheres to a management philosophy based on careful examination, constant innovation, R&D, and benefiting society, as it serves the public interest, presenting its achievements in animal health and safety to promote economic development. The Animal Disease Diagnostic Center has a single service window for records keeping, epidemiological analysis, necropsy specimen transfer, and testing, data interpretation, and then reporting the results and recommendations to authorities and farmers. This ensures the professional diagnostic teams can provide full services throughout the process. Animal disease diagnosis and monitoring focuses particularly on avian flu, rabies, spongiform encephalopathy, brucellosis, classical swine fever, foot and mouth disease, etc. This work provides early warning mechanism, and control measures can be taken to limit the spread of disease. Instant testing and reporting for rabies makes it easier to clarify the concerns of those bitten and take timely action to ensure public health and safety. To implement government policy, rigorously monitor FMD, WOAH, recognize Taiwan as an FMD-free zone, no vaccination in 2020. Taiwan declared cattle plague eliminated in 1920, and there was not another outbreak until 1949. After a program of emergency inoculations, the disease was declared eliminated the next year, and in 1951, a commemorative monument was installed at VRI. In 2010, Taiwan experienced an outbreak of goat pox spreading rapidly. VRI developed an attenuated goat pox vaccine, quickly bringing the outbreak under control. In 1958, VRI developed a freeze-dried, lipinized classical swine fever vaccine, controlling a malignant infectious disease that threatened Taiwan's pig husbandry. After many years of involvement in diagnosis and experiment research, in 2017, VRI received WOAHS recognition, making it one of the top WOAH classical swine fever reference laboratories in the world. The institute provides inspection and quarantine services for exported aquatic animals and enforces standard international import norms. In 2022, Aquatic Animal Medicine Laboratory was certified by WOAH, the first reference laboratory of decapod iridescent virus 1 globally. In 2004, it helped establish a national disease monitoring system for aquatic animal exports, adopting WOAH regulations on pathogens. VRI produces bovine ephemeral fever inactivated vaccine, Reamarella anatopestifer infection, pylorium disease antigen, to prevent outbreaks in Taiwan. Other vaccines, including waterfowl parvovirus live vaccine and Reamarella anatopestifer vaccine, have been transferred to industry through technology transfer. The Institute has developed a Newcastle disease live vaccine, developing a genetically modified live attenuated Newcastle disease vaccine of genotype 7. In the future, the technology will be transferred to animal vaccine industry, will serve as an example of the commercialization of genetically modified drugs for animals in our country, as well as the establishment of a next-generation viral vector vaccine platform with technology transfer opportunities. In recent years, VRI has worked to expand international exchange, for example, by holding the 2017 APEC Wildlife Rabies Workshop, attended by more than 80 government officials and academics from 10 APEC member countries and the WOAH. The Institute provides animal husbandry and veterinary personnel with lifelong learning and training. This facilitates cultivation of individuals trained in safe agriculture and the holding of study and promotional meetings, improving the exchange of related academic knowledge in Taiwan, while also promoting the country as an international laboratory in the Asia-Pacific, in terms of human resource training and international cooperation. In October 2018, VRI held a joint launching meeting of WOAH Twinning Project on Rabies with the Nancy WOAH Rabies Reference Laboratory. An event was also held designating the Institute and Laboratory Proficiency Testing Center for Rabies Diagnosis within Asian Network, attended by 100 officials and academics from 10 countries and the WOAH. The first Asian proficiency testing for rabies diagnosis was completed in 2022. With a total of 11 participating laboratories from 7 countries. In November 2022, the closing meeting of the WOAH Twinning Project for Rabies was completed, with a total of 112 attendees from 7 countries. The Institute's objective is to establish a WOAH reference laboratory for rabies, as VRI works to become an international standard protector of animal health and safety. It also works with other organizations to establish regional joint prevention mechanisms. VRI is the only national agency involved in the testing and monitoring by local and academic groups, provides support with inspection techniques and will focus on developing testing for major overseas diseases and control measures. VRI continues to focus on several objectives: strengthening the level of laboratory biosafety and risk management, increasing the number of accreditation certification tests. In 2023, VRI was approved by the CDC and opened by the Biosafety Level 3 laboratory, comparing diagnostic capabilities with WOAH reference laboratories, and improving quality of testing and R&D service quality. Continuing to improve human resource training and international cooperation. Improving IACUC operations, introducing laboratory animal passport and use management, respecting the lives of animals and experimental research quality, utilizing energy-conserving green buildings with high biosafety standards, a comprehensive national animal drug inspection system and standards. VRI seeks to establish CGMP pharmaceutical plants and, in concert with policy, work with industry, government, and academia to jointly promote the development of domestic animal drug plants in industry, which can be expanded globally. It uses automated equipment, expanding monitoring of aqua farms to enhance competitiveness of exported aquatic animals. Established a laboratory animal supply and marketing system and animal drug testing data integrated platform to expand modernization, automation, and AI application of veterinary information. In the future, VRI will seek to develop national veterinary service diagnostic laboratories, refined infectious animal diseases testing techniques, and vaccine data R&D capability to enhance the standard of animal health inspection and quarantine in Taiwan. This is also part of realizing the One World, One Health concept advocated by the WOAH, WHO, and FAO, and will help create a more integrated approach to animal Human and environmental health.